What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. To the family, what's good? To any newcomers, welcome to the family. I appreciate you coming to check us out. So y'all, anybody that knows me, I'm a sneakerhead. I done told y'all that before. And I didn't lightweight gave Amazon, a little try to, see what their sneakers. So far, I haven't been, disappointed. So I did a round two and purchased some more sneakers from Amazon. So I have the boxes over here. I haven't opened them yet. So let's see. I'm gonna try to open it right here without showing my information, y'all. Wait, I'm trying. Y'all, Amazon, I don't know what kind of tape they be using, but baby, when I tell you, they really packaged it down. Let me see something. Sorry, y'all, got the table shaking. Alright. Let me just open it over here. Y'all, so I wanted these sneakers so they were different. And here they go, they're in the bag. And put that box over there. And I had Amazon recommended that I got 11.5, but these only came in whole sizes. So I got these in the 12. Let's see. Before we get started, a little nail cam. Y'all, I just decided to do Christian Dior stickers and just a whole bunch of razzle dazzle teddy bears and bows and gems. Y'all know I'm extra. Ooh, okay, y'all. These are cool. Question is, how long are these gonna last? I don't know. Why do they look like the bottoms are made out of styrofoam? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know about these ones. I'll definitely link these down below. And I thought these were cute because of how the soles are made and how this was and how this kind of looked like a little bit of snake skin. And if you're familiar with Nike shoes, because I know Nike is good for doing this, they have something what they call the sock sneaker. So it gives you this vibe of a sock, and usually you just slide your feet on in. My only problem with sock sneakers is that sometimes you can get rubbing in the back, which it doesn't mean your shoe's too small or nothing like that, but if you ever got a sneaker that's the sock material, it rubs in the back, and baby, if you don't put they got shoe rubbers and stuff down there, or put a band-aid back there, it will rub your meat raw. I've had that happen to me. Thought I was cute, felt the burning sensation, look at the back of my ankle, and it was raw. So yeah, those are the only things you have to worry about when it comes to sock shoes, especially if they're high top sock shoes. Just make sure you get some type of insole to place back here so this doesn't rub on your skin, because it will be an irritant. But these are hot. I want to say these were 44 bucks. So yeah, y'all, I think these are so cute. This is the front. The bottom has this weird styrofoam type thing. I'm not sure. Hopefully these don't break, because I am, pretty hard on shoes, but my shoes always seem to last, so I know how to take care of them. But I got them more because of the design. I was really feeling this design and also this background design. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know. I thought it was snakeskin. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, those are those. And y'all know I'm gonna put them in a container. I don't know, maybe later on the road I might show y'all my little collection. Not to boast or brag or nothing, but I love sneakers. I'm not the heel type. I'm not about to be up here I wear stilettos, pumps. No, I have bad feet. I'm knock-kneed, pigeon-toed, so that's a double whammy. My feet like this. I trip over my feet a lot of the time. So you get that on the concrete. Yes, I'm always doing that. So yeah, I can't wear stilettos and all that stuff. I got bad feet, But I can wear a good riding boot, a good flat. But my favorite are tennis shoes. I love sneakers. I'm a sneakerhead. So my second pair of sneakers the only thing I hate about Amazon, don't get me wrong, put my sneakers in a box. I'm old school. I like my sneakers in a box. Don't put it in no big old Ziploc bag. No, because as we know, unfortunately, a lot of times they don't handle these packages with care, and you gotta deal with creasing and stuff like that. And you know, this isn't like, come on now. Like, I'm not complaining, but it's just like, I'm gonna need Amazon to do a little bit better. Just a little bit. And I thought these were cute. I don't know what made me get these. I think it's the sole. How it has like, how it has like the up and down soles. So like this was so attractive to me. And then it's kind of like a cookies and cream type thing. So as you can see, like the speckles, black and white, look like cookies and cream ice cream. If you know cookies and cream ice cream, you know it looked like this. So it's giving me cookies and cream soles. Okay, so this one doesn't have like a foam situation. It is pretty sturdy. This is very flexible. I like shoes like this because if you notice, shoes that are more flexible like this, it's more comfortable to wear. If you have a very sturdy shoe that's just very solid, usually those shoes are just for style. In my opinion, certain type of Jordans, those are just meant for style, occasion, cute. But if you get them shoes that's like this, they got that fold top, that means you can walk in these, go whatever you need to do about your day. Because some shoes you can only just stay in them for a couple of hours or 2 hours. They're like heels. Basically, you're only comfortable in them for a minute and then your feet start hurting. So yeah, I felt like, I was like, ooh, let me get these. These are so cute. Yes, they're white. This part, another sock one, you know, another thing to avoid irritation back here so it won't rub on your foot, the back of your foot. Wear high top socks. Me, I like to wear like the mid to high top Nike socks. Those are pretty good, and they're pretty thick too, especially with the fall and winter time coming up. So yeah, I got the color white, so I probably won't wear these because when it's like fall and winter time, certain shoes I just don't wear because you're going to ruin them. These type of shoes are probably more spring-ish, summer, especially with the white. I would say summer, but me, I wear white all year round depending on what it is. But these are definitely not fall and winter type shoes because these will be ruined, because this is a knit, which is like a fabric type material. And with these ones, I'm gonna have to definitely be careful because it's hard to get stains out of this type of material unless you get some, you know, some real stuff that's gonna, you know, do that. And I don't really like to wash my shoes. I like the old school toothbrush and stuff like that. But if these ever get dirty, I might have to put these in a wash and just let them air dry. Fingers crossed. But y'all, these are so cute. They have this red part back here. But this is cute. On the side, this says welcome. This says fashion pioneer. I thought this was so cute. The laces are like, what color is this? This is like a gray color. Kind of strange seeing that there's no gray in the sneaker, but I'm not complaining about it. I thought this was definitely cute. I keep saying definitely because I'm feeling these sneakers. Because most of the time I'm just take me to the Nike outlet or I order my shoes off of Nike.com. So me wearing Amazon shoes, not saying there's nothing wrong with it. I just prefer to wear Nike shoes because I have bad feet. And when you have bad feet, you can't wear cheap shoes. Unfortunately, like I can't go to, you know, different stores that have like $9.99, stuff like that. I can't wear them type of shoes because first of all, they're not gonna last. Second of all, I have bad feet. And I got flat feet. So I decided to give these a chance. Worst case scenario, what were these? I think these were $21. It's not bad. I might probably have to put some insoles in here if, you know, if they're too uncomfortable. But if anything, these are more for like just fashion. Maybe I just want to throw something on. Sometimes it's hard to find a nice, just, you know, decent all white shoe with, you know, a simple design without paying an arm and a leg. Thought these were definitely hot, y'all. Definitely cute. And then the front, where it says Fashion Pioneer, for some reason it's saying like 5,400 pound weight or something. Is giving me, if you're familiar with the Off-White brand, do I got it up here? Hold on, y'all, because I think I'm my purse on the floor. So if you're familiar with the Off-White brand, because I got this off Amazon too, this is the vibes that this is giving me up here by the tongue part, because it's saying like 54-pound weight limit or whatever. You know, I don't even think that's possible, but yeah, like how this is saying 54-pound weight and stuff like that. So that's the vibe that it's giving me, but I know these are not no Off-White shoes, so I'm not complaining. But y'all, I think we got a winner chicken dinner. Feel free to link down below, or let me know if you wear Amazon shoes or if you got some fire ones, because I think there's more to come, because I'm on the lookout for purple, y'all. Purple is my favorite color, and I want some purple tennis shoes. And I think I've came across some, but I'm just trying to see if they get a little bit lower. Y'all, I'm so cheap. I'm frugal at heart. Because I want to say the shoes I want is like $49, but I'm like, I got a feeling that they're going to come down some more. So got my eye on them. They're in my cart. So if they don't, eventually I'll probably buy them. But I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to, you know, wheel and deal. But y'all let me know if y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.